Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a brand new video. I know I've been gone for a little bit, but I started my new school semester and I'm finally feeling like I got the hang of things, and now I'm back. I'm back to show you our brand new build. Today on Koriko we're going to be building a playground. I remember when I first chose the kidcore theme for our island, I was really excited about building a playground. It was one of the first builds that I thought of, and I've been excited about it ever since. And unfortunately, I couldn't find any inspiration for it. I searched for it, I decided to wait for the inspiration, and it just wasn't coming. I've decorated probably 3/4 of the island, and I'm finding that I'm struggling with the last bit of it. I think we all struggle with the last bit of our islands, but I wasn't expecting to struggle with the playground, not my first build that I thought of. But I finally found some inspiration to do it, and I wanted to sit down and wait for a moment where I could film the entire thing and show you all, because I've been so excited to share it with you. So without further ado, let's get into it. This is the area that we're going to be working on today, and I chose the area right outside of my house because the vibe that I went for with my house was a primary colored schoolhouse, so I figured this was the perfect place to put our playground. I want this island to have a very natural feel, so that's really what I wanted to go with the playground as well. Since this was a build that was going to be a central build of this entire island, I felt like it was really important to have a lot of weeds, a lot of flowers, definitely a lot of trees like you can see in the background, and I want the playground itself to look overgrown as well. Not necessarily abandoned, but overgrown for sure. that is going to be it today for our playground speed build. Thank you so much for coming in and hanging out. I really hope you enjoyed this build as much as I did. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe, or comment down below what you've been building these days. Make sure you're taking your vitamins, drinking your water, and letting yourself rest. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!